Hi people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers. So today we are going to be tying a turban tutorial, a wedding guest turban mostly. You can tie this to church, you can tie this to as a wedding guest, you can also tie it as a bride. So starting off, I'm going to be showing off my Rawsilk, which I have available for sale if you are interested in buying. I'm going to be bringing the Rawsilk to the back of her head, like this is a 50-50 part measurement. That means it's equal part. Her head is supposed to be in the middle of the turban. So I'm just going to take the one-sided part, like the left side of the turban, and then I'll start pleating that simply to the top of her head. I asked her to hold on to the other side. If not, if I'm pleating like this, just going to be pulling off the other side. So I asked her to hold on to it so that I'll pleat this part of the gilly, the part of the Rawsilk, sorry. So we have this available for sale. If you're interested in buying, you can just send me a message, just comment down below. I'm going to be leaving my number for you guys to see. Not everybody though. If you ask me this and just you go back to my Instagram page and send a DM and tell me you want Rawsilk, then I can probably send you my number. You know, YouTube is a very big community. I can't drop my phone number here. So next I'm going to be pleating the other side. As you can see, I asked her to hold on to the first one we pleated before, then I'm pulling off the second one down like this, up, okay, sorry. Then I'll carry the other first one I did. This is a 50-50 part. If you can look at it, is all equal part of the gilly of the Rawsilk, sorry. So I'm going to be twisting that on the opposite side, like taking each side to the other opposite side. So from the top again, I'll continue pleating it just to rearrange the pleat. You know, I told you guys before, if you've watched my previous videos, you see that I'll tell you to pleat, make sure your pleat is neat before you do any other thing at the top of your Rawsilk, most especially when you're tying Rawsilk. Make sure your pleat is neat, guys. So as you can see, I already made a neat pleating on the front of the at the front of the gilly. Rawsilk. I kept saying gilly. So guys, I told her to turn back so that you guys will see the back of the hair tie. Some of you have complained that I don't open the back of my hair tie, and also I'm going to be pinning that down. As you can see, after pinning that like that, just to cover the back of your hair. But if you wanted to bring out a ponytail or something, you can easily just open that up and just pull out the hair. So I'll just hold on to, let's say, a little bit, let's say 30% of the edge of the gilly. Then I'll just pleat that too, so that I'll tie and secure the Rawsilk, so that it will be very firm on her head. At the same time, as I was tying this, I was asking her if it's okay, like the pressure on her head, so that you don't over tie it and cause your client to have headache. So as you can see, I'm just trying to see if I'll pleat it, hope it won't be too bulky or anything like that. So after that, I'll ask her to turn over again so that you guys will see how I'm going to be packing the remnants of the Rawsilk. So I'm just going to rearrange this from side to side, as you can see. So guys, if you're joining us here for the very first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment. We do makeup and turban tutorials. And yes guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell. This is like if you want to get updated on any videos here on my YouTube channel, you can just go follow easily and all of that. So guys, this is it. I'm going to be, don't mind me, I was making noise. So as you can see, I'm just going to be pleating that gently, and then I'll pin it up, tucking in all the imperfections, like the edge of the gilly or the edge of the Rawsilk or anything like that. On the other side too, I'm going to be doing the same thing, making sure I tuck in everything, every part of the gilly, sorry, excuse me, every part of the side of the Rawsilk. Then I'll tuck everything in so that it will look very neat. So guys, I'll just keep pulling off the gilly so that it stays firm and it will look neat from the side, because you want every part to be equal. You don't want this other part to be coming out and this other one looking anyhow. So guys, I attempted tying the bow type of gilly, but it was not working out for me. I don't really know how to tie a bow, but I'm going to research that and then I'll come and show you guys how to tie that one too, using a Rawsilk. And as you can see, I just did a twin ruffle part. Like, yes, I'm just going to separate the two so that it doesn't look like it's all together at the same part on the same side. So I'm just going to pull that off to the side, and it was giving me a very cute hair tie. And as you can see, my model here, her name is Zara. She's still like, she looks very cute with this Rawsilk. So as you can see, like this and this. So as a bride, as a wedding guest, or as a, let's say if you're going to a church or anything like that, you can easily just sweep this off with your Rawsilk. Very soft, and the texture of this Rawsilk is just perfect for you and everything. So guys, as I said previously, if you want to buy this, you can easily just go into my DM and send a message at Hadidi Makeovers on Instagram. And that's it guys. I'll see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.